Tired of wrestling with inconsistent SQL models that break under pressure? We've all been there, chasing phantom data quality issues, manually testing transformations, and praying your CI/CD pipeline doesn't explode at 2 a.m. The DBT Analytics Engineering Pack fixes this with modular model templates using incremental materializations, schema enforcement through SQL test suites, automated lineage diagrams via GraphViz integration, and pre-built GitHub Actions workflows for version-controlled deployments. Whether you're a solo analytics engineer, a data architect scaling team workflows, or a DevOps lead drowning in DAGs, this pack turns chaos into clarity. Your models will be so reliable, you'll forget what data debt means. Here's what's inside the DBT Analytics Engineering Pack. Data preparation with smart incremental models that handle SCD Type 2 changes. Automated testing phase using custom SQL assertions for freshness and referential integrity. CI/CD pipeline setup with GitOps best practices baked into GitHub Actions templates. Documentation generation that auto-creates mermaid.js lineage diagrams and column-level metadata. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Cloud Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a template pack, it's your new standard operating procedure for bulletproof analytics engineering. Installing the DBT Analytics Engineering Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add dbt-analytics-pack. That's it. You get the full workflow: 12 production-grade DBT modules, 45 SQL test macros, 8 CI/CD pipeline configurations, and the automated documentation engine. Your next Claude code session picks up the custom syntax highlighting automatically. Your AI assistant now knows DBT's semantic layer patterns, Snowflake's clustering nuances, and how to debug test failures before they happen. No PhD in YAML configuration required. Just run the command and watch your data stack grow up.